Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make an animation video using AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, has revolutionized the world of animation by making it easier and faster to create high-quality animations. In this tutorial, we will be using a tool called Adobe Character Animator, which utilizes AI to bring your characters to life. Step 1. Plan your animation. Before we begin creating our animation, we need to have a plan. Decide on the characters, the setting, and the story you want to tell. This will make the animation process much smoother. Step 2. Create your characters. Now it's time to create our characters. In Adobe Character Animator, you can create characters from scratch or import pre-made ones. Once you have your characters, you can customize them with different features, such as facial expressions, clothing, and accessories. Step 3. Set up your scene. Next, we need to set up our scene. You can do this by creating backgrounds, props, and other assets. You can also import assets from other sources to add more variety to your scene. Step 4. Record your performance. Now comes the fun part, recording your performance. Adobe Character Animator uses AI to track your movements and facial expressions, which are then applied to your characters. You can use a webcam or a microphone to record your performance, and you can even use multiple devices at once. Step 5. Edit and fine-tune. After you've recorded your performance, you can edit and fine-tune your animation. You can adjust the timing of your movements and add special effects, such as sound effects and music. Step 6. Export your animation. Finally, it's time to export your animation. Adobe Character Animator allows you to export your animation in different formats, such as GIF, MP4, and QuickTime. And that's it. With Adobe Character Animator and AI, you can create professional-looking animations in no time. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy animating!